Hi there once again. So I'm kind of in the middle of my hitch install and I've hit a snag in it. That'll be on the other video. But meanwhile, I'm going to, while you hear that amazing elevator music in the background, I'm on hold with UPS. But meanwhile, I'm going to install my 7-way pin plug for the bed. Anyway, this is kind of neat. It just installs, and this goes in between your other pin for the on the bumper. So this will be inside the bed. So I'm gonna read the directions real fast, and I'm gonna get going. I'll show y'all how I do it, and that'll be it. All right, so back in the truck. I got my 2 1/8 hole saw, and I'm putting it back here in this pillar, I think. Looks like it may not really fit good. Rats. Well, I was hoping you would fit in here, but it looks like these screws would hang over the edge. Guess I have to go here. Ish. Alright, so let me get drilling. Now, of course, I did check behind this. There's nothing, I hope. Let me get my glasses on. Probably have a better view from here. Okay, pretty. Okay. Oh, I guess I have to route it backwards. Nice how it comes with a whole harness and everything. Like wire loomed and looking all pretty. Probably doing this wrong, like backwards, but what the heck. Let's see what we could do here without hopefully destroying it. Yeah, that's a no. Oh. Easy that way, and then... Oh, I'm so stubborn. Okay. And this plugs in. Click. Then that goes there. 7/32 drill bit, or 7/64. Oh yeah, I sent this thing. This will let me get it a little bit more straighter. So it's not magnetized. Alright, we're done up here. Man, my camera messed up. So y'all missed the whole under portion of this. But it only took a couple minutes, so I'm gonna go back and show you again. Anyway, so the hitch. So okay, this is the underside of my bumper, right? So, or the side. This is the underside of the side of my truck. There's the bumper. The front is that way. So that's where I drilled the hole. Up in there, you could see the hitch, the 7-pin connector right there. So the wire came down here, went there. I ran it through this little cross member, through underneath through there, pretty easy. And here it is. So you just unplug this from your 7-pin on the bumper, and then plug in the splice on it. Man, it's so easy, so easy. And then I zip tied it up. I think I'm okay with that. And I probably could have put it around here somewhere, but that was it. I also gave a quick look at my onboard air. So this is where my spare tire sits. So my onboard air is above that. That's where it sits. And then I have an air tank here somewhere. I can't remember where it's at. That's part of my 60-gallon tank. Of course, my airbags right there. For my hitch, for my gooseneck hitch, it has these plates welded on. I didn't realize that, so that is amazing. It's gonna make it easy. So, oh, there's my tank right there. I should drain it while I'm out, but that's it. That's kind of it. So that hitch, excuse me, the 7-pin connector, super duper easy installation, super easy. Just that 2 1/8 inch hole somewhere in the bed, and run that wire down there, plug it in, bam, very easy. So anyway, I'm gonna do what I can do with this hitch for right now, and so y'all make sure you watch that video, and we'll get back with you. Ciao. Thanks for watching.